Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to study for English Paper 1 Grade 12. Start by mapping the paper format and time per question, then schedule focused practice sessions. Break study into comprehension skills, language features, and essay planning. Use active reading and annotation techniques while timing yourself with past papers. Review model answers to understand marking priorities and common phraseology, and track improvement every practice round with approach unseen texts by scanning for tone, purpose, audience, and key language techniques first, then read closely for evidence. Annotate strategically with short margin notes and highlight strong lines for quotes. Practice short, timed responses to develop speed and selective quoting skills. After each practice, compare your answers to model responses and note recurring errors. Build a habit of summarizing each paragraph in one sentence to boost clarity and retention. Focus on language terminology and signal words so you can name techniques confidently in answers. When writing, create a quick plan with a thesis and 3 linked points using evidence and short quotations. Vary sentence length and use precise diction to strengthen arguments, then proofread for grammar and cohesion. Practice concise introductions and conclusions that directly reference the question, and time full essays to simulate exam pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.